Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your Xiaomi 17. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume. To adjust the call volume, you go over to the phone app and press the volume up side button. Now here we have the call volume, we can adjust it. I recommend putting it up at 100%. Now to change the media volume, you open up settings, swipe down to sound and vibration, and here make sure that the media volume is on the way to the right. So that means it's at 100% too. And after that, scroll down to sound options, make sure that do not disturb is disabled everywhere. That there's none, there's off, and all of those switches are gray. Because do not disturb can block some sounds. Of course, there will be no reminders of any notifications, calls, and etc. So that's why we want to disable it and see if that makes any difference. If not, you can turn it back on. What you guys want to do next is clean the speaker. So we got the speaker grills right at the bottom. You guys can use a soft brush to clean them. And after that, what you guys can do is simply restart the device by holding the power button and the volume up button. You swipe down to reboot, and now the device is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the reboot is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is simply update your software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to the settings, now go to About Phone and tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. I have no updates available, but if you do, you will see them at the bottom right here. You will see the button that says download and install, right where the Xiaomi community button is. So make sure that you update. It's very important to keep your device on the latest version so you don't struggle with all the glitches. And that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.